the next game, or it could be a warm-up, and it can even involve an audience member. Whether it's an audience member or a master player who sits on the chair up here, before they do so, the audience and the players decide on a famous celebrity, and the person who sits here isn't going to know the celebrity, but they are the celebrity. And one of our master players will act out different scenes, real short scenes, just to give hints at who this celebrity is. And each time, the person on the chair will try to guess who they are after an action is taken. Now, this is great for trying to think of actions that aren't on the nose. You're kind of dancing around the answer. Anyway, I'll let the master players show you. Shit, I don't want to be cleaning these floors. Oliver Twist? I look real good in this here dress. That's right. Mrs. Doubtfire? What? It's midnight? Oh, shoot. Beyoncé? I never ridden in a pumpkin before. Cinderella. That's right. She got it. Cinderella.